Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean sea moss. First, begin by inspecting your dry sea moss for any visible debris like sand or small shells and gently remove them. Next, place the sea moss into a large bowl. Now, rinse it thoroughly under cool, filtered water, ensuring you remove any loose particles. This initial step is crucial for a clean final product. After the initial rinse, cover the sea moss completely with fresh, filtered water. For an extra clean, you can add a small squeeze of lime or lemon juice to the water. This helps neutralize any ocean scent. Let the sea moss soak for about 4 to 6 hours, or until it has expanded considerably and feels soft. This rehydrates and softens the moss. Once your sea moss is fully hydrated, drain all the soaking water from the bowl. Then, give the sea moss a final, thorough rinse under cool, running water. As you rinse, gently rub the strands between your fingers to dislodge any stubborn particles. Take a moment to carefully inspect the sea moss for any remaining impurities, ensuring it's perfectly clean. Congratulations, your sea moss is now perfectly clean and ready to use in your favorite recipes. You can blend it into smoothies, add it to soups, or use it as a thickener. If you have any excess, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.